In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ElevenLabs audio. Whether you're creating content, generating voiceovers, or just experimenting with text-to-speech, downloading your audio files from ElevenLabs can be a straightforward process if you know the right steps. Let's walk through the process together to ensure you get the most out of this powerful tool. First, begin by opening your preferred web browser. It's important to use a browser that you're comfortable with, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, as they all work well with ElevenLabs. Ensure your browser is updated to its latest version to avoid any compatibility issues. Once you've got your browser open, the next step is accessing the ElevenLabs platform. Navigate to the site and prepare to log in. At this point, you'll need to sign in to your account. You can do this by entering your email and password, or if your organization uses Single Sign-On or SSO, you can use that option for convenience. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as this will help ensure your login goes smoothly without any hitches. Once you're logged into your account, head over to the text-to-speech section of the platform. This is generally easy to find, but you can look for it in the main menu or a dedicated link on the home page. This section is the heart of where the text you input will be transformed into an audio masterpiece. Now, it's time to get creative. Type the message you want to convert into speech in the designated area. Be clear and concise about what you want to convert, and double-check your text for any typos or errors that might affect the audio output. This is a great opportunity to experiment with different script variations to see what sounds best. After entering your text, the fun part begins: choosing a voice. ElevenLabs offers a variety of voice options, allowing you to pick a tone and style that best fits your needs. You might want a formal voice for professional content, or perhaps something more casual or friendly. Take your time to explore these options. Once you've decided on a voice, click on Generate Speech. This is the moment when your typed words are transformed into an audio file. It may take a few seconds for the platform to process your request, so be patient as it works its magic. After the audio is generated, review the file to ensure it meets your expectations. Listen carefully to the pronunciation and cadence to confirm it aligns with what you intended. Finally, if everything sounds right and you're satisfied with the generated audio, simply click on the download icon. This will save your audio file to your computer, ready for use in presentations, videos, or any other medium you choose. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently download audio from ElevenLabs, ready to use for your next creative project. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.